See you later, Brian. It's your boy Two Claps. Just got into playing some football. I want to show you a little dance real quick. Goes like 2. 2 claps.
Hi.
I'm gonna go lock the door. Now, I'm gonna show you how to pick your nose and look sexy. Then, now, for all my viewers, a little bit extra. I have a question to ask you. Why you gotta give me nipples?